If you want to grow your hair this 2025 and you are on a budget, then this hair growth oil is for you. Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. Welcome back again to my channel. My name is Aisha Abba. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for stopping by. So I made this amazing hair growth oil and I decided to share with you all so that you can make this and grow that beautiful black silky long healthy hair. So the ingredients I used are coconut oil, fenugreek oil, blackseed oil, mint oil, cloves oil, and chebe oil. Then this is the bottle I'll be adding the hair growth oil after making it. So firstly, let's add our coconut oil, and we have just 50 mils of coconut oil. Then this is our fenugreek oil. I added fenugreek oil, just like 20 mils of our fenugreek oil. Then this is our black seed oil. I added 50 mil of my black seed oil. Then I added my clove oil. So I bought this clove oil in the market, so 2000 naira, and then I came home and added more cloves powder because why not? I'm not I had cloves powder, so I decided to add the cloves powder because I was not making it immediately when I got it. So then this is the chebe oil, chebe infused oil. So we should call it chebe infused oil, not chebe oil. So I bought this chebe oil 2000 naira, and then I added my chebe powder, my original Chadian chebe powder, and then I let it infuse for a week. That's why it became so dark. Then this is our mint oil. So the mint oil is very, very important in this recipe, and we all know mint is very, very, very good for the hair and the scalp. And then it's I love the fragrance. After adding these different oils, it's going to give you like this fragrance that is not very nice. So the mint oil will help us to make it like have the amazing hair scent that smells like hair oil. So then I got my funnel, and then I make sure I mix everything so well so that the oils will be properly combined. And then I added it to this bottle. Um will this bottle is very, very good when you are applying oil to your hair because it has like a nozzle cap that makes the oil, like it's so easy to apply the oil on your hair. You don't need to even use your fingers except you are massaging the scalp. And then we all know massaging the scalp is very important in hair growth. So this is our oil, and this is the most affordable hair growth oil. So I let it sit for a day, and then this is the next day. This is like almost after 24 hours, and then I brought my vitamin E capsules. Should we call it capsules? Yeah, I bought vitamin E, and then I added just 5 of this vitamin E. So this vitamin E, I cannot remember how much I got it, but I think I got each one 15 naira or 100 naira. I cannot remember, but it was not up to 8,000 naira. So I added the vitamin E, pressed my vitamin E, and then I added it, and then I let this infuse for a week before I started using this hair oil. So all the oils added in these hair oils have their own different nutrients and different benefits to the hair. That's why we add different ingredients, and then all together they come together and give the amazing result we are looking for. So this is me trying the hair oil after a week, and trust me, this feels so good on the hair. I added the hair oil to my daughter's hair, and mashallah, the hair just stays so shiny and soft for a very long time. So I hope you are going to give this a try. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. If you have a question, drop it in the comment section. See you guys in my next one. Assalamu alaikum. Bye bye.